ChatGPT burst onto the scene in 2022, captivating the world with its ability to engage in human-like conversations and help you with a variety of tasks. Developed by OpenAI, it's a super smart virtual assistant, and can help with writing, brainstorming ideas, or just having a friendly chat. Just as the iPhone revolutionized communication and access to information, ChatGPT will have a profound and transformational impact on our lives, both at home and in the workplace. But the lingering question is, what does this mean for your job? Economists predict that ChatGPT and similar technologies could replace hundreds of millions of jobs, causing a seismic shift in the workforce. Goldman Sachs predicts that AI automation could impact 300 million jobs worldwide, with white-collar workers at more risk than jobs that require physical abilities. Now let's look at which jobs will be affected. Marketing jobs that involve writing marketing collateral, product descriptions, user guides, blog and web articles, and social media content is likely the first wave of jobs to be replaced. The Washington Post recently had an article about Olivia Lipkin, who worked at a company as its only writer. After ChatGPT was introduced, her assignments dwindled over the next months, and was let go in April because ChatGPT was cheaper. Eric Fine had built a content writing business over 10 years and charged $60 an hour to write product descriptions and website copy. Starting in March, he lost one after another contract to ChatGPT and lost his copywriting business nearly overnight. While Eric could write content with better creativity, precision and originality, ChatGPT was far cheaper. One client wasn't pleased with ChatGPT and ended up rehiring Eric. Customer support departments already use a lot of automation but also hire a lot of employees due to high turnover, so these jobs that use all forms of messaging such as email and chat is ripe for ChatGPT. It used to be that emails and chats had to be manually crafted. Now, ChatGPT can understand the history and context and automatically generate a response, and simply allow a human to do a final check. One of my friends, Steve, owns a tutoring company that employs a lot of customer support people. They've recently turned to ChatGPT to help construct email responses for customer support. As more and more technology is used to improve organizational productivity, less people are needed. Next are writers for magazines, movies, television, radio, books, songs, etc., many of who are represented by unions. The Writers Guild of America West and the Writers Guild of America East represent creators in motion pictures, television, news and online media. The Authors Guild and the Dramatists Guild represent writers in print media. The Writers Guild fears AI and ChatGPT will take away many writing jobs and is on strike to amend their contract so that credited writer is a human, that screenplays, treatments, outlines, etc. can't be written by ChatGPT or its ilk, and that AI not be used to generate source material or be trained on work created by its members. Here's ChatGPT generating a short story. ChatGPT will not replace all writers, but it can eliminate many writing jobs. Legal industry jobs consist of paralegals, legal assistants, and lawyers. These jobs involve consuming large amounts of information, synthesizing the information, and making it digestible through a brief or opinion. This structured, language-oriented work is susceptible to automation by AI. Try one of these questions and you'll see how good ChatGPT is. A translator's job is to translate documents from one language to another while transcribers convert audio and video into text. Take a look at the 2 YouTube videos to see how easily ChatGPT can do these jobs and take over many of these jobs. So, what should you do? Embrace ChatGPT and use it to improve your job.